Welcome to WTMCARS YouTube channel. WTM.cars. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Hello everyone. We appreciate you viewing this video on WTMCARS, your preferred channel. The video in question is titled, The 9 Most Powerful Pickup Trucks That Will Be Available in 2025. Do you believe you're prepared? See this video through to the very end. Okay, together, let's watch the video. When the time comes, share this video with your friends, like it, and click the subscribe button to let them know about the impending pickup trucks we've been waiting for. The new 2025 Tesla Cybertruck. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is Tesla's much-anticipated all-electric pickup truck. It has a future look, uses cutting-edge technology, and performs very well. The Cybertruck is a bold and new departure from standard trucks. Its unique approach to both form and function aims to change the market for electric vehicles. Here is a list of what to expect from the year 2025. Cybertruck from Tesla. Design and outside. Futuristic look. The Cybertruck has a unique, angular shape made from ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel, which gives it a tough, long-lasting, and almost sci-fi look. Exoskeleton. The vehicle's exoskeleton is made to last as long as possible and protect passengers as much as possible. It has armored glass and a very tough body. The bed, called the vault, has a cover that can be pulled back and built-in storage options that make it more than 100 cubic feet of room. How it works. Strong electric motors. The Cybertruck comes with 1, 2, or 3 motors. The 3-motor version has the most power and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2.9 seconds. Long range. The best model should be able to go more than 500 miles on a single charge, making it good for long trips and off-road activities. How much can it pull? The Cybertruck can pull up to 14,000 pounds, so it can do heavy-duty jobs just like regular gas-powered cars. Technology and the inside. Minimalist interior. The cabin has a simple look with a 17-inch touchscreen in the middle that handles most of the car's features, such as navigation, media, and climate control. Advanced autopilot. The Cybertruck has Tesla's full self-driving FSD feature, which lets it do advanced things like changing lanes automatically, stopping, and navigating on a highway. Seating and comfort. The inside has room for up to 6 people and is made of strong materials that will last through rough use. Ability to go off-road. Adaptive air suspension. The Cybertruck has an air suspension system that can be adjusted to raise or lower the vehicle to make it better at avoiding obstacles or cutting down on drag. Tough terrain handling. The Cybertruck is built to handle rough off-road situations. It has large approach and departure angles and a reinforced underbody. All-wheel drive. Both the dual and tri-motor configurations have all-wheel drive, which makes them very stable and easy to handle in rough terrain. The technology and features are over-the-air updates. The Cybertruck will get regular software updates that add new features, make the truck run better, and make it safer, just like other Tesla cars. Advanced connectivity. The car should have a premium sound system, wireless charging, and full smartphone connectivity to make driving more enjoyable. Safety features. It has all of Tesla's safety features, such as automatic emergency braking, collision avoidance, and a stronger structure meant to make it as safe as possible. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck will be a threat to regular pickup trucks because it will combine Tesla's electric vehicle technology with a bold look and great off-road capabilities. The Cybertruck is going to change the way people drive, whether they're using it for work, fun, or just getting around town. Be patient and wait for the next vehicle. Kindly continue posting on WTMCARS, and feel free to recommend a pickup vehicle in the comment section.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.